Uh, right, that's done. So now we'll start with how to write an article, a new article in any Wikipedia in Indian language. For example, if I want to write something about this university, we are conducting this event right now. So before that, I have to show you how exactly you type in a particular Indian language, because we all are very used to the the English keyboard, which has all the Latin keys. And using the Latin keys, how exactly you type the Indian languages. So you can see right there is a drop down. You see the transliteration and inscript. Transliteration is just the way we speak the phonetic. For example, if you want to type Mumbai, you have to type there M-U M-B-A B-A, no, it's Mumbai, it's A. Instead of E, you have to type I. A E I. So yeah, so it's not that difficult. I mean, if once you get used to that, you can easily write. This is the way normally how we pronounce the words. So Mumbai, just hit the enter button. No, we are demonstrating how to create an article in any Indic language Wikipedia. So it's already there. Mumbai is already there. So we just we can, if article is already there, then you can see the article, and you can enhance the article by adding new context, adding photos, adding different kind of things in the content part. And if you want to create a new article, a fresh new article, then you have to go to the same search bar. You can just go to the search bar, please. So we'll create an article, Mumbai University. That's Mumbai Vishwavidyalaya. And while typing, you can see the number of similar kind of articles starting with the Ma. So that becomes quite easier to search even different articles with starting with the same same alphabet. I think we have to start with a new article. So I typed Mumbai Vishwavidyalaya, and you have to click the enter button. We will search in the Wikipedia if that particular article is already existing. In the Hindi Wikipedia, it's not there. So we'll start with the Mumbai. Okay, it's already there. Okay, we'll create some other article. Okay, Fort Campus. Yeah, we can copy that. Wiki Conference India. I'm not very sure. Okay. Before I start with a new article creation, I'll show how to create a new account. We'll invite one of you to come here who doesn't have an account in the Hindi Wikipedia, who will create a fresh new account for him. So any one of you who is a native Hindi speaker, please come. Yeah. So the first thing you need to do is there is a link over here which says Sadasya Pravesh. Correct. Yeah. So just click on that. If you already have an account in Hindi Wikipedia, then you can log in. If you do not have an account, you can click on the Naya Khata Banaye. So if you just go down, you have to enter few of the credentials. So आपका सदस्य नाम, so you have to give your name. Preferably that will be good if you give an English name, because it becomes quite easier for you to log in using the same username for all the wiki projects. Yeah, yes, you can definitely.
Mark your all languages as central.
That's a really good option. You have 275 projects in Wikipedia, and all the languages you can use a single user ID and password. So if you just go down. So this that's a password. So if you just go down, no.
इनका बेस क्या नाम था, जिमी बेस।
Jimmy Wales. I mean, that's fine. We will just create a small step just for the demonstration.
करेक्ट।
Oh. Okay, this is fine. Thank you. Thanks a lot. So we have here the first text for this article. So I'm sorry. Sir, can you just read it aloud? The text what you have typed. Can you just read it aloud?
इसमें पहला लीड वाक्य है, जिसमें कोशिश की गई बताने की कि क्या चीज़ है। विकी कॉन्फ्रेंस हिंदुस्तान में, इंडिया में होने वाली पहली कॉन्फ्रेंस है जो मुंबई में हो रही है 18, 19 और 20 को। संक्षेप में इसमें लिखा जाता है कि ये जो हम ऊपर टॉपिक दे रहे हैं, विषय जिसका है, उसमें हम क्या कहना जा रहे हैं। तो मैंने उसको एक वाक्य में बता दिया है कि विकी कॉन्फ्रेंस इंडिया मुंबई में होने वाली पहली कॉन्फ्रेंस। इसमें एक वो गैप देना चाहिए था, पहली कॉन्फ्रेंस के बीच में वो रह गया है, जो मुंबई विश्वविद्यालय में 18, 19, 20 नवंबर 2011 को आयोजित की जा रही है। आगे सूचना उसमें है कि इसका उद्घाटन जिमी वेल्स करेंगे। और भी इसमें बढ़ा सकते हैं जिमी वेल्स क्या हैं, इसके जिन्होंने चालू किया है उनका नाम दे सकते हैं। और इसके बारे में जो सूचना है वो इसमें नीचे एक एक करके दे सकते हैं, कब होगी, क्या क्या टॉपिक में। आपको जो सूची मिली है उसी हिसाब से उसको बना सकते हैं, पूरी सूची बना सकते हैं। हाँ, थैंक यू।
So says that Wiki Conference is a yearly meetup of, yearly conference of Wikimedia Foundation, which is organized in Mumbai this year in Mumbai University. And 18th 11/2011 there is a day which the day which it's inaugurated by Jimmy Wales, the founder of Wikimedia Foundation. So before we save this, we can have a look how exactly the article looks before when it gets saved. So you can click on the Purvavalokana, which means the preview of the page. So this is how exactly the article will look after it gets saved. So we'll save this article. So now the article is created, and if you are an anonymous user who wants to edit this article, what you need to do is you just need to log in the same exact way I have already shown. After logging in, you will see this Sampadan. Just click on that, and now you will be able to edit the article. So as this is the main heading, this is the name of the article, WikiConference India, and I want to make this bold. So you will see, if you click your mouse on this, it shows bold. So just click on that, select the text and click on bold, and in the preview or Purvavalokana, we'll click and see how exactly this looks after it gets saved. So now we can see the WikiConference India is a bold word, and in the same way we can make even the italicized words. For example, Mumbai is a place name which I want to make italicized. Just select the text. Sorry. Just select the text and keep a cursor on that. It shows italic. Click on that, and now when you save this article, WikiConference India is bold and Mumbai is italicized. And now I'll show how exactly to find already existing article inside Wikipedia, which is also called wiki links. If Mumbai is an article which is already there in Hindi Wikipedia, and I want to make sure people who are browsing, who are seeing this article will also be able to read something about Mumbai, so I can put square bracket, 2 square brackets before the word and 2 after the word, and check if the article is already there in the Hindi Wikipedia. So the article is already there in the Hindi Wikipedia, which that's the reason it's showing in a blue color. If I open that as a new tab, then the page about Mumbai, the city, opens up. So you can read about Mumbai from, in this way, if you have n number of articles in the Hindi Wikipedia, all you need to do is just add this square bracket before and after the word, and that will make this the wiki links, the links within the Wikipedia, and you can browse different articles from one Wikipedia article.
But when I just saw that create a link, the URL of the link is in Hindi.
Yeah.
Now when I type that URL, I am going to use only an American US keyboard.
That's correct.
When I type in the URL side, it will not come in Hindi.
No, the URL is normally English URL. That's quite easy to use.
But if you click on Mumbai, just click on Mumbai, the link and the hyperlink there.
Yeah, that's a Hindi site.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, but we can also create English articles. So for example, I want to create a completely English URL, and
I am trying to say that how do we fetch it? If I am trying to
you're saying you want to ask me if I type this Hindi hi.wikipedia.org/wiki/Mumbai, and that should be redirected to the Hindi page, right? For example, we'll try with this, if this is already there or not. Yeah, this is already, this is not there. So what you need to do is just create an article with this kind of name, Mumbai for example, and copy the Mumbai which is written in Hindi. What you need to do is, it's saying this article has not been created, so you have to click on this Banaye. That means create a new article, but this article is already there in Hindi Wikipedia in Hindi language. What you need to do is, you have to click on the Adhik Suchanaएं. It will show up something called redirect. So click on that. The target page name, just paste the Hindi article name and save it. So what happens now, if somebody is typing here Mumbai in so if somebody is searching for this article in completely English URL, then it opens up the page which is there in Hindi Wikipedia. So you just need to create these things. For example, if something has not been created, you have to create those things. So now the page it automatically gets redirected to the page which is there in Hindi. And now I want to show how exactly you make different headings. For example, I want to say this happening in Mumbai. So where exactly in Mumbai this conference is happening? So I think Avasthan is the correct word for location. Avasthan is the correct word for location.
You can just say Sthan.
Sthan, okay, fine. So this Mumbai Vishwavidyalaya, then I can type the place name along with the zip code. Probably what's the zip code of this place? What's the pin code? Mumbai 4.
After Mumbai Vishwavidyalaya, you can just say Fort Prasad. Fort Prasad after Vishwavidyalaya.
Okay. That's correct, right?
Prasad, not R.
Okay. Prasad?
Just R.
Okay, Prasad. Okay, yeah. Okay, Mumbai 04. So this is the physical location of the area, and if I just save this article just like this, we'll see how it looks exactly without a formatting, without a wiki formatting. So it all got just scrambled up, and it shows like Sthan Mumbai Vishwavidyalaya so all comes in a single line, and I want that in a proper formatted way. So just click on Sampadan, and what I need to do is just select this option, select this Sthan, and here you see something called Shirshak. Shirshak something means the heading. So these are the different sizes of the heading. Once I save this article, the heading will be visible in different sizes, and I want to make it very big heading. And when I click on that, it adds to the equal signs before and after the heading. When I save this, before saving, you can just see the Purvavalokan or the preview to see how it looks. So now you can see this is a main heading under which it shows the physical location. In this way, we can add several different headings. For example, the location, the number of delegates, the number of different wiki communities all throughout India who have been participating in this. And so probably I can show how exactly we can do that. So what do you call for the communities? It's a Sangh. What's the Hindi word for community? Sangh? Samaj. Okay. So participating wiki communities, how you say that in Hindi? No. Yogdankari wiki samaj. Okay. We'll go with that. Samaj is fine, right? Okay. So we'll go with this, and so I'll just write the different wiki communities participating in the wiki conference India. So let's start with Hindi. So we'll write in this way: Hindi wiki samaj. And is correct, right? So we'll just end up with that. I mean, we'll just need to make a list of different wiki communities, and I just want to show how exactly it looks without formatting. So now you can see this article looks, I mean, all the names comes in a single line, and we want to make that a list with bullet points. So what you need to do is you just need to select that, click on, I mean, that all depends on the community and the people. So I'm not a native speaker, so Samudaya is the right word. Alright, I mean, that all depends. Alright, so what I need to do is I just select this Samaj. You can if there's a mistake which is recurrently happening in the whole Wikipedia, what you need to do is just click on this search and replace, and all the Samaj will be, I can just
But excuse me, that doesn't work. Sometimes Samaj may be better.
Yeah, if there is a major mistake which has occurred several times in the whole article, so you can replace all
Within the article, yes, I agree with
in a single article. Instead of doing it one by one, you can choose you can choose the incorrect word, and you can replace with the actual word and replace all. So what I need to do is to add the bullet points before the names. So you just need to click on the bulleted list. Like this, which automatically adds a star mark before the name of the that particular text which you want to make a bulleted point. If you click on the preview, it shows up with all the bulleted points, and that's how it goes on. If I want to make all the bulleted points 1, 2, 3, 4, if the list is very long and I physically do not need to write 1, 2, 3, 4, instead of that we have a very easy way. Just select the text and here you have something called the numbered list. Just click on that. It adds a hash mark before the text, which automatically converts it correctly into the numbered list. So when you save this, now you see all the all the text in 1, 2, 3, 4, and that automatically does that. You don't need to do it manually. So this is how you normally edit a Wikipedia article. And if you want to add some pictures in this, for example, I want to add the picture of say Mumbai Gate, and Gateway of India. You just need to click on the picture. If the picture is already there in the Wikipedia, what you need to do is copy the name of the picture, go here, in any place, if you click on this icon which says embedded file and paste the picture name like this, and if you see the preview, you can see how exactly it looks. Now it opens up a very big picture, the picture which is in the original size. So I don't want to put this original picture in this original size. I want a small thumbnail of the picture which fits perfectly into the page. So I add a pipeline, a pipe, then thumb in small letter, and click on this Purvavalokan. And now you see a small picture along with the article, and the article doesn't take much time to load. And if you want to add a small a name of the article, you can probably do that. So you just add the name of the article, click on this. Sorry, not the article, the picture. Now it shows the picture, and if already this picture is existing in the Wikipedia, what you need to do is just add